Sandhan. All Gujarat integrated classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
Hi students and dear friends. Today, my dear friends, I am an electrical engineer. But what I am today is not because of engineering. It's all thanks to God's grace and because God made me play cricket. Whatever I am today is because of the great game of cricket. And cricket has taught me a number of lessons, whatever it is. I mean, in life, everything is all about, you learn a lot through cricket, let me put it that way. Whether you want to set a goal, whether you want to have leadership skills, stress management skills, communication skills, innovation skills and so on. Well, cricket has taught me everything because when you play cricket right from the lowest level and go to captain your country, and when you're also a part of the World Cup winning 1983 team and also as a captain and then later on as a chairman of the World Cup winning 2011 team, you gain a lot of rich experience across the way. Because live cricket teaches you how to take success, failure, criticism. People come on, you know how it is in cricket, right? People criticize you when you don't score runs, when you lose matches. People praise you when you start scoring and winning matches. You saw what happened in India very recently. When we were doing so badly against Pakistan and we lost the England series, all of us criticized the Indian cricket team. And just 2 matches later, when we beat Australia in the last 2 test matches, and that too when we beat them convincingly in Hyderabad, all of us said, hey man, what a great player, what a great team, great captain, great everything. So life teaches you so many things through cricket. Belief in yourself. Self-belief. आपका होना चाहिए मैं करूँगा करतूंगा मेरा हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है. I will do it. We can make it. We will do it. That feeling should come into you first. Whatever you want to achieve. End of the day, most of us keep running after name, fame, money. But beyond all that is something called achievement. We need to be achievers. How do you achieve your goals? How do you achieve success? First is self-belief. You won't believe, in the 1983 World Cup, before we went for the World Cup, none of us thought ever that we will ever qualify for this, what he calls, quarterfinals or semi-finals of the World Cup. Believe it or not, India had played 2 World Cups before that, 1975 and 1979. In 75, we lost all matches. In 79, we lost even Sri Lanka, that was not even a qualified, what he called, test-playing nation. We beat only one country called East Africa, which is nothing but Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya all put together. Imagine in 1983 World Cup when we went, the first match was against the mighty West Indian team. And then, as usual, we had a team meeting. On the eve of the first match at Old Trafford, Manchester, Kapil Dev, our captain, young man, young, he is a man with energy, positive approach, a lot of self-belief. He said, we had beaten India in Berbice before the tour in West Indies. I've beaten West Indies once in one of the one-day matches. He said, when we could beat West Indies once, why not West Indies once more? हम लोग सोच रहे क्या पागल हो गया क्या उनको क्या रे वेस्ट इंडीज टीम हम लोग कल खेल रहे हैं क्या वेस्ट इंडीज टीम दैट टाइम माइंड यू गॉर्डन ग्रीनिच डेस्मंड हेन्स number 3 Viv Richards, number 4 Clive Lloyd, number 5 Bacchus, number 6 Gomes, number 7 Jeffrey Dushan. Then the 4 fast bowlers whose names I don't want to remember even today. Michael Holding, Garner, Roberts and all these kind of bowlers. Marshall. He said, हमारा captain को पागल हो गया क्या? He's gone mad. Typical, no? When the boss says something, everybody says, hey, पागल है, कुछ भी बोलता है रे, ऐसा. So, we all thought Kapil Dev has gone mad. He said, no. When we can beat them once, why not once more? Suddenly we all thought, okay, the captain is very serious. He means it. He means business. Then we also thought, probably what he says is true. Why not we not believe in ourselves?
That's true.
And start doing something.
That's very true.
So slowly it started creeping into our system. Believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends, next day, opening day of the Old Trafford 1983 World Cup, we beat the mighty West Indians. That, in my opinion, is the turning point. If one man could think that he can beat the West Indians and win the World Cup, my dear friends, if you all believe in yourself, you can also win World Cups. You can also be world champions.
We all remember his hooks. I hope you also remember it. If we close our eyes, Shrikant, we can see you. And we see you how you played. I mean, we see the same energy here.
And the innovations.
And the innovations as well. Lifestyle gives frustration. There are things happening which should not happen. It has become dull sometimes, and they start believing that they won't be able to do that. I mean, that is something where they need such push and help.
I tell you what, to sort out that problem, if you don't have belief, once you have self-belief, next quality you need is you need to be very positive in your approach.
That's very true.
You need to be a very positive person. I'm telling you why. I tell you what, I mean, some of you are probably science students.
Yeah, they are.
Always create a positive energy around you. I mean, science teaches you what? Energy can neither be destroyed nor created. It can be only converted or transferred. That's what the basic philosophy of science is. When the sun shines, they say today it's solar energy. This table has got potential energy. When I move, they call it kinetic energy. When I speak, it is sound energy. When the water falls, it is, what is it? Tidal energy. When the wind blows, it's wind energy. Same thing, everything is energy. My dear friend, on the left has a lot of energy. Sandeep on the right has energy. Even this cup has energy. All of us are bundles of energy. The more you create positive energy around yourself, the more positive things will happen. The more negative energy you create around yourself, the most negative things will happen. Typically, you must have seen in a lot of places, no? Cricketers coming and say, what macha, I didn't get a chance to, I was playing very well. Chairman Srikant dropped me. He took somebody who he liked. Then we'll say, the boss didn't like me, man. He didn't give me promotion. You will say, this is all cribbing. This cribbing is all negative out of negative energy. Positive energy. Be positive in your approach. Don't be scared of anything. Just face all your problems without getting scared. Classic example you take as recent as the Madras Test match against Australia. The same Dhoni, 12 months back or last 12 months before the Test match, was doing tuk-tuk. His approach, his captaincy was very negative. His batting was very negative. Waiting. Against England, we lost the bloody Test series, man, in India. 190 for 4. That man comes in at 190 for 4, 190 for 6, I think, when he started playing. What did he do? Started lagaing the ball, played positively. How much did he score? 200 and a double century.
Why, man?
How did he say his double century? Dhoni recently, last week, or 10 days back, 15 days back. Because he was playing having a positive attitude. If you have a positive attitude, the runs will also automatically come. The sixes will come. The fours will come. In your life, sixes and fours will happen. Or you can translate.
Sure.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Sir. Yeah. I want to know that what should be one person's final goal?
Okay.
It should be a success or the happiness. Or is it possible to achieve success with happiness?
Yeah. My dear friends, I am a very spiritual minded person. First, unless you gain success, you will not gain happiness. Let us be very clear. Don't see this. That's what this morning I had a talk with my friend Sandeep Sharma. He's talking about rational, gishtional and all. Forget about these rationalities. What do you want in life? Today, we are all living, let us be very honest. All of us want material life initially. I'm using the word initially. Without money, man, you cannot survive. I cannot survive.
That's very true.
Don't let us not fool ourselves saying like we are Swamiji's. मेरे को पैसा के पीछे नहीं जाएंगे रे. मैं पैसा के पीछे नहीं जाएंगे. मेरे को नाम नहीं चाहिए. नाम नहीं है, पैसा नहीं चाहिए. क्यों आप कॉलेज पढ़ रहे हैं? घर में बैठ के हवन में काम करना.
That's very true.
Why? Now I am in the Grahastha stage. I have a family. I have a wife. I have 2 sons. Both my sons are married. They all want to live well. I have the duty. I have to do my duties as my father. Do that first. Then only you can go to the next level of sannyasa. So you need to have You need to mix both beautifully.
That's very true.
How do you mix material life and your mental happiness and peace? It has to go hand in glove.
It's a journey.
It's a journey, as he said very rightly.
It's a journey.
You cannot, on one side, I want only happiness, I don't want money. I want only money, I don't want happiness. ऐसा नहीं जाएंगे. सब साथ साथ आएंगे. When I score a century, I am very happy. When India wins, you are happy. When Dhoni scores a double century, most of the people are happy. When Tendulkar scores a century, every Indian is happy. But then same Tendulkar scores a zero, all of us are sad.
Yeah.
The India loses a test match, all of us are sad. Why? That is again a state of mind. And today you are all young students. You all want to be achievers. First, be an achiever. First, be a successful person. Then slowly you yourself will evolve mentally, emotionally to a state where you will go beyond this ocean of material life. Roy, it's a good question. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Roy, your question is a very valid question. You are saying, my attitude is very positive, my thinking is very positive, but still, I don't get the right results, correct? That's what you're trying to ask me. Now, you will have to understand one thing. Every time you cannot be successful, don't forget, failure is the stepping stone to success. That means there must be something wrong happening somewhere, even though the positive attitude. Like for example, if Virendra Sehwag is a very positive person, sometimes he gets out of zeros. The great Viv Richards get out of zeros. I don't think I've seen a more positive cricketer than Kapil Dev. He used to get out early. But that means he is doing some mistake. So you'll have to adapt and correct the mistake. Sometimes, without our knowledge, we make mistakes. I'm a very positive person. I'm a very positive cricketer. I am also trying to run a positive business. But I also make mistakes. But there's nothing wrong in it. But just because you're having failure, it doesn't mean you have to become negative. Find out, analyze why the failure is happening. Think calmly, sit back calmly a little bit. Best way to come out of these kind of stressful, difficult situations is, sometimes when we are stressed, when we are in a difficult situation, when we start failing, we start breaking our head. अरे क्या करेगा? सब ठीक नहीं चल रहे क्या बोलेगा? Business नहीं ठीक चल रहे, मेरा exams में नहीं अच्छा, batting ठीक नहीं चल रहे. We all start brooding and breaking our head.
Blaming ourselves.
Most of the time we start blaming others. Most important is we start blaming others. नहीं रे, wicket अच्छा नहीं है, ball बहुत move हो गया, ball रुक के आ गया. Then he say, no, the business conditions are not good. My product is this, that. That is the time you step back. Calmly look. Wait. Don't force a solution. Most of the time we try to force a solution. This kind of stressful situations, difficult situations, best to step back and think calmly. Look, watch what's happening in front of you. Out of it, suddenly something will find out automatically, you will get an answer.
Mr. Srikanth.
Yeah.
I would like to know, I still remember a match when you hit the mighty Marshall for a 6 on the very first ball of the match.
Correct.
So I just wanted to know what went into your mind. Because as you said earlier, it really needed a great sense of courage to hit any West Indian bowler for a 6 on the very first ball.
Very good question, I would say.
Very good question. But you didn't tell me about the second or third ball. First ball 6, second ball 4, third ball bowled. You forgot to say that also. That's okay. See, my attitude in life was this.
Wow.
How did I hit a sixer? Good question you asked. The reason is, my attitude in cricket was, if I have to die on a cricket field, let me die on a cricket field.
Wow.
Otherwise, you can't play those fast bowlers. You cannot play Marshall, Roberts, Holding, Imran Khan and all. No chance. Patterson, all those fellows. If you're going to be scared and saying, no, we means gone with the wind. Yeah. 1 ball, 2 balls, gone. Then don't play cricket. You be prepared to get hit. You want to do business, be prepared to lose money. You want to be a captain of India, be prepared to lose matches. You want to be a chairman of selection committee, be prepared for criticism. People will criticize you. Do all this. But that is how you come up. most of the times, one more point I'd like to make here is this. Most of us want to seek approvals. मैं अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है क्या? मेरा शर्ट अच्छा है क्या? मैं अच्छा बात कर रहा है क्या? मैं अच्छा बैटिंग कर रहा है क्या? मेरा कैसा है? We always say, क्या boss? अच्छा है क्या? मैं अच्छा है ना? अच्छा है ना? We seek approvals from people. Around people, we ask approvals. For example, there are 4 people here. Be natural. If I have to prove I'm better than man on my left and better than man on my right, better than man in the corner, or better than all of you, I'll be putting pressure on myself.
That's very true.
Whereas, if I'm talking from my heart, whatever I do it from my. That's why whatever you do it with passion. Do it from your heart. Even cooking, even if you make this Tetley chai has to be made with heart. Otherwise, chai will come. You will make a chai. I also know to make a chai. Hot water डालो, इसमें dip करा दो, शक्कर डालो, chai बनेगा. ये chai बनेगा, पिए नहीं. But Tetley chai बने तो अच्छा वो दिल से डालना चाहिए. आप
I am speaking from Government Science College, Chikhli.
Yeah.
Please.
I want to ask one question to Mr. Srikanth.
Yes.
That is, what you want to be, what one should try to be, that either the man of success or man of values.
No, I'll ask you a question. What do you think Srikanth is?
Well, Srikanth is, I don't know him personally, but he is man of success.
No.
But I don't know the values which
No,
Mr.
at least
Srikanth is having.
whatever you see me in public, what do you think of Srikanth, by the way?
Yeah, Srikanth is
caught him,
very generous fellow, and I know he is a very straightforward, and he is also cooperative and communicative and very impressive. That's all.
Do you think Srikanth is a man of values or not?
No, values. These are the values of Srikanth.
So you think Srikanth is also successful. You also think Srikanth is straightforward. You also think Srikanth is communicative. You also think Srikanth is a man of values, right?
That's true. Yeah, it is connected.
Yes. So, why you can be successful? If you want to be wholesomely, fully successful, you have to be successful both in terms of values, both in terms of achievements. Otherwise, you are not a full successful man.
That's very true.
Being successful, not only rich man. I'm sorry. No. Being successful is being nice to people, being honest to people, being straightforward to people, being honest to yourself, at the same time achieving something in whatever field you are, and making a little bit of name for yourself, little bit of money for yourself. Because there's no end to quantum of making money. There are millions and billions of fellows. You cannot compare. But if you want to be a wholesome person, you need everything. If today I am talking in front of you confidently, is because I am very confident. Hamara dil se, I am a straightforward person. Whatever you do it from your heart. Be passionate. So the honesty, the value will automatically come when you do it from your heart. Because you will not have the heart to cheat anybody, correct?
Call from Mehsana.
There's one more phone call from Mehsana, another part of Gujarat. Please ask your question, Mehsana.
Hello, sir.
Mehsana, yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, continue.
Yes. Sir, I want to ask the question. My name is Rahul. I am the student in the Government College, Mehsana.
Yeah.
So the question is that what are the common rules in the education and sports that we have to adopt in the life for the success?
See, the common route is, I'll give you about 6-7 big bullet points. You need to have self-belief. You need a very positive approach. You need to be passionate in your approach. You will have to be very, very communicative, good communication skills. You will have to be very innovative. Today we are living in competition. Imagine in cricket, for example, there are 120 crore people in India, out of which only 11 can play in the 11, correct? And if one of you have to be a captain out of 120 crores, that means you'll have to be that bit special. That means innovative. Then you need to know how to manage stress. You are under stress. I am under stress. Everybody is under stress. My children are under stress. Even a school boy is under stress. School girl is under stress. But we should know how to manage all this. How to manage emotions. And then move on. Learn from mistakes. How do we take decisions? Decision making is very important. As a cricketer, as a captain, as a chairman of selection committee, I've taken so many decisions. Some decisions are good, some decisions might go wrong. But when you take a decision from your heart, rational, I'm telling you, क्या हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? हे, आप दिल से बोलो ना, झूठ नहीं बोल रहे ना? क्यों दिमाग से बोल रहे, क्यों बोल रहे कोई? हमसे बोल रहे दिल से बोलना, आप सच्ची बोल रहे ना? आपका touch your heart and tell me, no, you're not lying. That side will say is like a monkey. This side will say Srikanth is saying right. This side says Srikanth पागल या कुछ भी बात करता ही रहा है ऐसा. Whereas your heart will give you only one answer.
Myself, Dinesh from Swami Science College, Kadi.
Dinesh.
My question is, what's the special reason of your success?
My special reason, I think I've given you all the reasons so far in my speech. I think you would have heard it. But the most important thing is I'm a very positive person. I'm very passionate. I believe myself. I always listen to my heart. I believe in my God. My God will never let me down. That is that energy, positive energy. You know, you're talking about energies. Energy can neither be destroyed nor created means ultimately there has to be only one source of energy. That source of energy is called God. Some call it Allah, some call it Krishna, some call it Gopala, some call it Narayana, some call it Shiva, some call it Christ. But the source of energy is only one energy. That is only God. I believe in that. Even today, I believe. And I am always God. I am 53 years old today.
Srikanth, you mentioned something about uncertainty, that we always come to a certain point in life where you have to be decisive, and when we make mistakes, it leads us to frustration. So that particular moment, what shall a student do?
See, I was answering that question when that question came. As long as a situation will come, like for example, even my own business, my own cricket, there are times when I face the situation that you've spoken about. But there will be something in you telling you, your inner voice, you call it. You call it the inner heart, the inner voice, something telling you, don't worry, make it. Don't worry, you'll make it. Don't worry, fight it, you'll make it. Fight it, you'll make it. Don't worry. As long as that inner feeling is there, that inner voice keeps telling you, you will be you can make it, you will make it, you have an opportunity to make it, you will make it.
That's true.
When you go back, when you want to give up at that point, that means you're not willing to face failures.
That will be escapism again.
Most important thing in life, my dear friends, is this. Be prepared to face failures.
Yeah.
Most of us, our ego, our scared, feared feeling, everything is because of our ego. Because we don't want to be known as failures. Don't worry, what is the world going to come to an end if I failed something? Nothing wrong. You will fail once, you will fail twice, but the third attempt you might make it big. Don't ever give up. That is self-belief. That is passion. That is positive approach. With these words, I like all of you to be passionate, positive, believe in yourself. Always keep smiling and laughing, okay? Don't keep the brrr face and all. Keep smiling. I don't make a fool of myself if all of you are laughing there. It doesn't matter. The atmosphere has to be fantastic, Vibrant atmosphere. The Gujarat Chief Minister is a classic example. That vibrancy has to be brought in. That is what life is all about. This vibrancy. Okay? Good luck. God be with you.
Thank you very much. And I would request all of you to give him a big round of applause. That's what Srikanth is, friends.
We feel energetic.
And on behalf of the students, we assure you that we will try to follow the tips that you have given us. There is a book he has given to us.
It is an e-learning program. It's a digital program. Along with the book, we are going to join hands with Scope. And on Scope, will be a small section of Scope where Scope is going to teach English. We are also going to teach career. We'll also be part of that Scope's overall syllabus, English and life skills. Sure. When you know English, when you know personality skills, then you will be a totally different person, man. I know Tamil. I'm a Tamilian. Na Tamil romanala pesuven. My mother tongue is Tamil. Na pramadama pesuven Tamil hai. हमको हिंदी भी थोड़ा थोड़ा जानता है क्योंकि क्रिकेट खेल के हिंदी भी जानता है. आप गुजराती में बात करो, गुजराती आपका मदर टंग है, गुड. बट फिर भी आपको इंग्लिश नहीं चाहिए तो वर्ल्ड यू कैन नॉट मूव अप. आप वो लाइफ स्किल्स नहीं तो वर्ल्ड में ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. ठीक है, आप पर की टू सक्सेस क्या है ये सब होना चाहिए. गुजराती भी मालूम है, इंग्लिश भी मालूम है, लाइफ स्किल भी मालूम है. मेरे को भी तमिल भी मालूम है, इंग्लिश भी मालूम है, लाइफ स्किल्स भी मालूम है बराबर मेरे को. ठीक है, गुड लक.
थैंक यू श्रीकांत, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Sandhan. All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.